This brand is made in Mexico by Ream Manufacturing, which is a part of Paloma Group, and the units are sold through authorized dealers in the USA. The TZP14AZ models are premium units with two-stage compressors but only a 14.3 SEER2 cooling efficiency and a 7.5 HSPF2 heating efficiency. They feature louvered panel construction, which does a superior job of protecting the condenser coil from mechanical damage from debris thrown by a lawnmower as well as hail. They have a metal base pan with virtually no sound attenuating features and a resulting sound rating that is close to that of a vacuum sweeper. The TZPLV models are ultimate heat pumps that have variable speed compressors and use state-of-the-art electronic expansion valves for refrigerant flow control. They only have a 17 SEER2 efficiency, and their warranty is not very good when compared to other brands, as it does not include total unit replacement in case of compressor failure, which has become the industry standard. The brand does not offer a model that fits into the HvacRepairGuy basic category. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.